It's been a year since a tornado outbreak rolled through Troup, Meriwether, and Spalding counties. More than 2,200 homes or businesses were damaged or destroyed.
Fox 5's Doug Evans looks at the recovery in Spalding County that suffered widespread damage.
Yeah, it's been 1 year, but you can see behind me that there's still some evidence of that powerful tornado that ripped through Spalding County 1 year ago tonight. It's easy to think of it as one tornado, but in Spalding County, there were actually 5 that evening, damaging or destroying anything or injuring anyone in their path.
For the most part, I'm lucky to be here.
Liesl Swenson was among those most severely injured a year ago. One of the tornadoes toppled a tree onto her Jeep, trapping her and another woman for 2 hours.
I broke my neck at C6 and C7, and I did have spinal cord compression, so they did go in and have to do a cervical fusion to stabilize my spine. I had compression fractures T1 through T5. I had a splenic laceration, and then I had a pretty severe concussion.
More than half the year, Liesl recovered. She says she also counted her blessings. She and her husband are now expecting another child, and she got into nursing school.
Excited to get started in my nursing career and being able to touch people who have been through traumatic experiences.
Easy to spot the recovery of the many homes we showed you a year ago, but there are still blue tarps in abundance on rooftops across Spalding County. Officials say the recovery will not take just 1 year, but many.
In 2011, we had over 400 homes and businesses damaged, and our long-term recovery committee worked for well over 4 years.
The image that best captured the power of those storms a year ago was the Hobby Lobby in Griffin. The roof caved in, brick walls blew down. A year later, the Hobby Lobby is still under construction. The foreman telling us they expect to be finished by late February, and the store might reopen in early April. So on days when severe weather is expected again, and the clouds build and the winds blow and the rains come, many here, including Liesl Swenson, say a year has not been long enough.
It was traumatic, and the emotions are still really high when I think about what could have happened. It has definitely taught me that there's bigger purpose to life than we will ever know, and there are reasons for every one of us to be here.
In Spalding County, Doug Evans, Fox 5 News.